want to start on YouTube, but you actually just don't know where to start. I did a survey on my main channel, my DJ Richie Scott channel. We have about 206,000 subscribers there. And the poll that I did, I asked, what is stopping you from monetizing your YouTube channel? And the overwhelming majority, I believe about 42% of people said that they just don't know where to start. That forced me to rethink about my strategy for this particular channel because I think I was under the assumption that most people actually had a clue at where they should start. When I came up with my initial idea for the creator starter kit, it really was for the select few people that maybe just didn't know what they needed to do to get started on YouTube in general. And I often find that when I'm speaking to clients one on one for people that book one on one sessions, I'm finding that we're really starting from zero. We are really starting from their aspirations, their dreams, their hopes for what they could be doing on YouTube. A lot of people have a lot of different things that they want to talk about, and they really need some help settling on the one or two things that would really help them prosper on YouTube. And I really have to help them reverse engineer the process because we have to actually start from where we want to end. I like to look at YouTube and social media in general as a marketing engine. Every piece of content that you put out, it really should move the needle for you in some way, shape, or form. I know that a lot of you will look at the content that I have created on my news channel and you will see that, or you follow some other creator out there and you probably want to talk about some type of news as it relates to maybe reality TV news or maybe financial news. And news is absolutely great. I will tell you, it is really, really easy to get into a space where you're talking about news with anything and hit on a viral moment. But what I want you to think about is this: what does that viral moment really mean? Is it going to mean that your channel gets monetized faster? Potentially, yes. Is it going to mean that you may get more views faster? Potentially, yes. But will it contribute to your bottom line? Maybe yes, maybe no. What do I mean by that? I mean this: in terms of AdSense, I would just never tell you to rely simply on that because ad revenue is like this, okay? And what you really want to do is you really want to establish something solid for yourself outside of the ad revenue. So what is the business model that you are going to market your content around? I think you should really think about that first. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're starting off with a channel that is going to be about reality TV, a show or something like that. A lot of people are following me because I have basically done the same thing, right? I've talked about particular shows. I've sort of navigated the reality TV space in a way that it has really worked well for me in terms of building an audience. But what I want you to do, and I want you to know, is that I want you to do this smarter than I did when I first started. Because if you do what I tell you to do, then you could end up leveraging YouTube to change your entire life. Okay. And that's what we want to help you do in this video. So I want you to know that that's my goal. I want to help you transform what you think your life is now to what it could potentially be by utilizing content, but we use our content as a marketing tool for other products like digital products. What are digital products? Digital products are products that you can simply download, like an ebook or a PDF or a digital course, or maybe even an app if you want to get a little jazzy with it. So if you just stick with me here, I'm going to tell you exactly what you should be doing. All right. Now, why should you listen to me? Why should you even listen to me? I can tell you that I've been on this platform since what, 2019? Yeah. So since 2019, I've taken this seriously. 67,000 was my highest month in ad revenue. I have also helped other clients generate tons of ad revenue and product sales for their business. You can check out any of my other videos and you will see breakdowns of how that actually worked. But in this video, I really want to get to how we can best help you here today. Okay. Now, in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take things over to our creator starter kit. All right, guys. So let's talk about everything that you're going to get when you dive into this course. I wanted to basically break this down for you so that you can see how this is really meant for the person who is just getting started. You don't know where you should start, start right here. This introductory video is going to walk you through everything that you need to know about how to utilize the information in this course so that you can get through this and done with it quickly and get started on your way. Then I have a full affiliate link and resource center so that you can actually have access to tools that will help you make money from day one. Then we're going to dive into module two. This is going to be a strategy session with one of my clients, Karen, who we helped generate $7,000 in ad revenue, 14,000 new subscribers from one video that she did in 30 minutes with her cell phone. All right. So if you are here, you are interested in growing your content, you are interested in YouTube, interested in growing on Facebook or Instagram or even TikTok, right? So we're going to kind of cover a little bit of all of those. So as you can see here, this is not just content that is meant for YouTube. We're going to be breaking down content that has gone viral and how she utilized the viral strategies that we talked about in order to do that. Now, do you need to go viral to start making sales today? Absolutely not. But does it help? Absolutely. So we're going to break down in not one, but two sessions with Karen. Oh, yes. We have two sessions with Karen. So you'll get session one here, and then you'll get session two here. And then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to come down to this final module here. Now, when I say final today, but will it be final tomorrow? No, because guess what, guys? We are continuously adding to this list of modules. So while I don't want this to be a super long course, I want this to be something that you can get through and done and get started today. The last thing that you're going to do is you're going to utilize this super prompt that we have created for you. This prompt right here is going to tell you exactly how you can get started. It is going to ask you all the right questions that you need in order to start you on your journey to creating your content. It's going to tell you what types of videos to create. It's going to give you a 30-day content plan. It is going to tell you how to create your first digital product and how to start selling it. This has everything that you need. So if you've been somebody who has been sitting on the sidelines thinking, I don't know where I should start or what I should be doing, you can utilize this AI super prompt and basically enter it into Chat GPT or your favorite AI platform. And you can then set your income goals. It will design your digital product. It will create the content plan. It will develop your YouTube content strategy. It'll help you build your confidence so that you take action. You're going to explore different affiliate programs, and it's going to also teach you how to repurpose your content and publish your content across multiple platforms to maximize your monetization and help you start publishing those videos starting in less than 1 hour. Y'all, this right here, this is the game changer. This entire thing is a game changer. You've got your first module is going to conquer that mindset. It's going to tell you exactly how to do this and get started. You've got affiliate resources. We also have two strategy sessions. And I didn't even mention that in addition to the strategy sessions, you are also going to get the 0 to 6 figures with YouTube guide. Okay, this is my first guide that I ever came up with. It basically details my strategies from start to finish, from how I got started on YouTube to generating my first 6 figures on this platform and also getting to 6 figures subscribers. So you're going to get all of that. It is going to be almost you are working with me. And I got this for a special discounted price just for you if you are watching this video. I got to let you see exactly what it is that you're able to do with this starter kit because honestly, this is going to be the next best thing to working directly with me, where you can actually get the information that's in my head. You're going to get my knowledge, you're going to get my expertise, and it's all put in all of my best products for you. Everything is put together for you, super simple, super easy. And you're going to get this, and then you're going to implement this, and you are going to monetize your content starting today. Now, if this video has been helpful to you, I want you to click that like button. I want you to share this with somebody else who needs it. And I will see you all in the next video.